Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Robinhood account. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Robinhood and navigate to its website. Once you're in the website, at the top corner, you can see the sign up option. Tap on it. Now that you're in the sign up page, you can create your account from here. You need to fill up your details and continue the process. First of all, you need to select the region. For now, you can only select between United States and United Kingdom, so you can only choose between them. Now tap on continue. Now provide your personal details over here. Fill up your first name, your last name, your email address, and set up a password for your account. Once you are done, tap on this continue button at the bottom. Now that your account is created, if you want to use the Robinhood app, you can even download this app. And there you go, you have successfully created your account on Robinhood. You can even try the Robinhood app in order to access everything easily. Now you need to verify your account. Here you can see finish signing up option and you can continue the further process. You need to provide your tax paying details, your social security number and other details like that. After every details are verified, your account will be fully functional. So that's it. That's how you can easily create your Robinhood account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.